In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage notifications on Shein effectively. Whether you're using the Shein app on your mobile device or accessing it through your PC, handling notifications can sometimes be a bit of a hassle. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by addressing how to manage notifications on the Shein app. Most of us receive an abundance of notifications daily, and while some are useful, others can be overwhelming. Thankfully, if you're using the Shein app, there's a straightforward way to control these alerts and ensure you're only getting the notifications that truly matter to you. All you need to do is open up the app on your mobile device, then head over to the settings menu. Here, you'll find the option to turn off notifications entirely. Simply toggle the settings to your preference, and you're all set. It's really that simple. Turning off notifications on the app can help create a more peaceful user experience, allowing you to check updates and alerts at your own convenience. Now let's move over to using Shein on your PC. The desktop experience is slightly different, and it doesn't naturally offer a built-in settings menu like the app does. However, there's no need to worry. You can still manage your notifications through a clever little browser trick. While browsing Shein on your PC, look for its icon in your browser bar. What you want to do is right-click on Shein in your browser. Right-clicking will unlock a drop-down menu, and from there, you just need to click on Mute. This option effectively silences all the unwanted notifications from Shein, allowing you to shop and navigate the platform distraction-free. It's a great way to tailor your online experience to make it as smooth as possible without the extra noise of unnecessary alerts. And just like that, you're done. By managing notifications appropriately, you're enhancing your user experience with the Shein app and website, making them more user-friendly and tailored to suit your preferences. Whether it's through your mobile or your desktop, these steps ensure you're in control of your notifications, providing a hassle-free shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing Shein notifications on both mobile and PC. If you found this video useful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Enjoy your newfound notification freedom and happy shopping.